Oh, here it is. I picked up the bird's scent.
Wait a minute. What is this? Chocolate. I smell chocolate.
I'm getting prunes and denture cream. Who are they?
Oh, man, Master will not be pleased. We better tell him someone took the bird, right, Alpha?
No. Soon enough, the bird will be ours yet again. Find the scent, my compadres, and you too shall have much rewardings from Master for the toil factor you wage.
Hey, Alpha, I think there's something wrong with your collar. You must have bumped it.
Yeah, your voice sounds funny.
Beta, Gamma. Mayhaps you desired... Squirrel! Mayhaps you desire to challenge the ranking that I have been assigned by my strength and cunning.
No. But maybe Doug would. You might want to ask him.
Yeah, I wonder if he's found the bird on his very special mission.
Do not mention Doug to me at this time. His fool's errand will keep him most occupied indeed. Do you not agree with that which I am saying to you now?
Sure, but the second Master finds out you sent Doug out by himself, none of us will get a treat.
You are wise, my trusted lieutenant. This is Alpha calling Doug. Come in, Doug.
Hi, Alpha. Hey, your voice sounds funny.
I know. Have you seen the bird?
Why, yes. The bird is my prisoner now.
Yeah, right.
Impossible. Where are you?
I am here with the bird, and I will bring it back, and then you will like me. Oh, gotta go.
Hey, Doug, who are you talking to?
No, wait!
What's Doug doing?
Why is he with that small mailman?
Where are they?